the 2020 Ram 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.